The cosmic array is an array of individual cosmic ray detectors distributed across a park or landscape. Each detector in the design emits a different sound or colour depending on the direction of a cosmic ray passing through it. The main elements of each cosmic ray detector is based around 3 Geiger counters used to measure ionizing radiation. The output pulses are then converted to 5-volt pulses and fed into a logic circuit designed to only register when 2 or more Geiger counters are triggered together. Depending on which 2 Geiger counters are triggered, it will drive an LED strip to flash red, green or blue, and in case of all 3, it will flash white. The Raspberry Pi Zero-W provides sound and network connectivity to transfer data. Cosmic rays begin as particles accelerated to near the speed of light in the shockwave of a dying star. They travel through interstellar space until they smash into the Earth's atmosphere, creating showers of energetic particles we call cosmic rays. Most of these particles interact with the atmosphere. Many are hard to detect, but a particle called a muon, a heavier cousin of the electron, can be detected using conventional radiation detectors like a Geiger counter. However, radiation detectors on their own is not enough to detect cosmic rays, as they are easily drowned out by local background radiation in our environment. This is done by enclosing each Geiger counter in copper shielding, removing local radiation sources such as alpha, beta and gamma rays due to the natural decay of matter. Then using logic circuits to ensure that only fast-moving particles that can pass through both shielding and 2 or more Geiger counters will be registered. Software for the Raspberry Pi Zero-W was developed by Paul Schultz, allowing each detector to play music when a cosmic ray was detected. Also, it logged data so it could be accessed over a wireless network. This allowed the data from the whole array to be used to create another landscape of music, which was developed by Darren Curtis, a musician from Sacred Resonance, who mapped the data to music using software called Max MSP. The aim of this project is to encourage a discussion about the mind-blowing scale, age, and complexity of the universe we live in, as cosmic rays originate from the very same processes that created the heavy elements that now form planets and the building blocks of life over billions of years, maybe helping in some way to grow our appreciation of science and how tiny our planet is. Floating in a quiet part of time and space, a precious, rare and fragile little planet, something worth protecting, a place where everyone we know and will ever know will live out their lives.